That noise you can hear is the feed coming from the hopper up there into the bucket down there. It comes in here at the moment. This is spinning and it's smashing up all the feed that's put in, and now it's dropping down into here. Obviously I'm not going to show you what I'm putting in my tubs because that's our little roach house secret, but you've seen how fine it comes out. It is quite loud when you're doing it, but if you've got a garage or something you can do it in there. I'm just choosing to do it in the kitchen at the moment, but for those of you who want to hear it work and see it working, I'm not sure if I can get it down low enough. Yeah, look. That's how fine it is. So I'll have to hoover it up now. So you can hear it just dropping down, just fill the tub and it'll all just come down through there. But again, like I say, you can see how fine it is. It's very fine. It's a brilliant piece of kit. Anyway, that's for those of you who wanted to see it. Leave your comments, I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thanks guys, bye.